So I came across this online shop called the Blue Basket. It sells a variety of stuff, but primarily Korean meal and recipe kits, Korean food products, and also kitchenware. I am most intrigued by their Korean meal kits as I guess it is a Singapore version of Blue Apron. I like the idea of buying exactly the amount of ingredients you need for a recipe to reduce waste if you end up not using that ingredients in your subsequent cooking. So I ended up purchasing the Korean army stew or budae-jjigae, and you can choose the day they ship the meal kit to you a few days in advance. Today is a rainy day, and it is my favorite weather to stay in, and it's perfect to be making a pot of hot budae-jjigae to share with my roommates. The meal kit arrived today, about 3 days upon ordering, and it says it serves 2 people and level 1 for cooking difficulty, so it's perfect. So let's see what is inside. We have here the recipe, cooking instructions, and we have mushrooms, onions, and scallions, minced meat, spam and sausages, beans, kimchi, army stew base, cheese slices, noodles, and tteokbokki, and also the anchovy stock. So we start by boiling water with the anchovies to make the stock. It is conveniently packed into a porous bag, so you don't have to fish out the anchovies one by one later. After it boils, we just need to remove the pack, and we are to add all the ingredients except for the noodles, rice cake, and cheese, and let it boil. Everything is like pre-chopped for you, so you really just need to throw everything in. It's really easy. Once it boils, lower the heat to medium and cover the pot with a lid and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Now the final step is to add the noodles, rice cake, and top it off with the cheese. The rain only got heavier, you guys, and you can even see outside very clear. I cooked some rice to go with the stew, and this is the final result. It looks and smells divine. Super easy to make and it tastes delicious. It's a huge portion. I ate with 2 of my roommates and there's still left over after. It's so easy to make. I highly recommend if you're lazy to do all the chopping or you don't really know how to cook.